everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I have created this entire look. I want to create this look, so without a further ado, let's get started. But before that, like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you will get a notification. So let's get started. I have already moisturized and prepped my skin. I will mention the products that I have used in the description box below. Without wasting time, let's start with the foundation. And for that I'll be using PAC HD liquid foundation and I'm in the shade 2.7. I have made a DIY highlighter. What I'll do is I'll mix this with my foundation. If you guys want to know what beauty blender I'm using, it's from Cups and Lashes. So let me tell you, this foundation give you a medium to full coverage. It's a long lasting foundation. It doesn't make your face cakey. You should definitely try this foundation. Using Elegal Pro Conceal and it's in the shade Pure Beige. Let's just quickly blend with the same beauty blender. Next, just to highlight my under eyes, I'll be using PAC Spotlight Liquid Concealer. It's a full coverage concealer and I'm in the shade Nutcracker. And this you have to apply very less. It gives you a very high coverage. Only inner corners and little bit on the outer side. That's it. That's all you need. So I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and I'm in the shade Light Medium. Same beauty blender से मैं इसको टैप करूँगी और अपने अंडर आई पे लगा दूँगी. और जहाँ जहाँ पे मैंने कंसीलर लगाया वहाँ पे उसको सेट कर दूँगी. So now coming on to my eyeshadow, I'll be using Revolution Reloaded Red Alert palette. This is how it looks. And I'm thinking to use this particular shade on my crease. And I'm using this fluffy, dense brush. Next, I'm thinking to use this palette. This is a Division palette from Revolution. And I'll be using this particular shade. Next I'll be using this particular shade on. Next I'll be using this shade. Next I'll be using this shade. And I'll just blend the loose powder. Okay, so next I'll be using bronzer, and for that I'll be using Miss Rose Professional Makeup Bronzer. This is how it looks, and the shade is 02. So I'll be using this particular shade, and for that I'll be using PAC 211 brush. I love this brush. Take it very less because this bronzer is too pigmented. Next for blush, I'll be using Maybelline Master Flush Creator, and this is in the shade Kiss Bite. For blush, I'll be using Nykaa Blush Brush. This is how it looks. And let's just take a little bit very less. It's too pinky. It's like a Barbie pink color. For mascara, I'll be using L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. And for my lower lash line, I'll be using the same color which I have used for my crease, the brown color from Revolution Reloaded Division palette. So now what I'm thinking is to do a double coat of mascara, as I'm not thinking to apply any false eyelashes. Once it gets dry, you have to apply it again to, you know, volumize your lashes. You have to be very careful with your eyeshadow. तो आपके आई शेडो में मस्कारा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगना चाहिए. बहुत लाइट हैंडेड आपको ऐसे मस्कारा लगाना है. So now for my lips, I'll be using this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner, and I'm in the shade 05 Melt Your Heart. I'll just show you the swatch of this quickly. Very nice pinky tone color. Next, I'll be using Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip Color, and I'm in the shade Nude Cushion. So here I have applied a lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss on top of it. If you want a glossy look, you can use a gloss. If you want a matte look, you can use a matte nude lipstick like a pink or a nude brownish color. And just to set my makeup, I'll be using Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. It has a very strong smell. And for highlighter, I'll be using Makeup Revolution highlighter. It's in the shade Vivid Golden Light. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope you like this video. You should definitely try this look. It's really nice, very easy, very affordable products. Now I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, bye. Love you.